All right, this is Daniel Chu, aka Chewbacca, and I am really hungry right now. I haven't eaten anything all day. I'm standing outside of a Subway, and today is day 8 of my rejection challenges. If you're wondering what the hell this is all about, rather than go through it again in every video, I'm just going to point you to the description down below, which includes a link to my blog. That, or you can go check out a previous video. But I have 30 rejection challenges. This is day 8. A friend of mine asked me to go to Subway and ask to make my own sandwich. And today's a little different because in the past I've actually gotten like yeses and I didn't do them. If you've watched some of the other videos, like I asked someone to play chess with me and someone actually said yes. And then I was like, you know what, we don't have to play chess. Like, it's just an experiment. Today, I am getting a sandwich from that Subway, regardless of whether or not they say yes or no. So if they say no, it's going to be kind of awkward, and I'm still going to get a sandwich, and that will be fun. I'll just kind of get to stew in that. If they say yes, then I will actually do it, because I really do need a sandwich right now. I'm pretty damn hungry. So we'll see how that goes. This is a 4 out of 10 on my scale. And it's a 4 out of 10, again, because like the mattress store, which I did yesterday, I'm basically talking to people who are paid to talk to me and deal with me. So even if I ask them for like some real weird shit, like maybe like personally they're judging me, but like they're kind of paid to be nice to me. Like they can't throw me out of Subway, and they're not going to be mean to me. Let's be real. In fact, they're probably going to try to find some way to like accommodate me, despite it being a weird request, and they're having like policies that say they can't. So, yeah, I'm like not that afraid of this. I think I know how this is going to go, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, so wish me luck. Hey, it's going well. How are you? I have a kind of weird request to make.
Sure.
Would it be possible for me to actually come back there and make my own sandwich?
I don't know about that.
Why not?
Andrew, let's go with the I'm pretty sure there's like, I would have to ask my boss, but I don't honestly know. Why would you want me to go sandwich?
For fun, I'll still pay for it, right? Obviously. Don't intend to spit in any of your food. I'll wash my hands if I need to, right?
It's not that. I don't.
They definitely wouldn't let us.
Yeah.
Really?
So much
I think that's not a possibility. Do you still
Okay.
want a sandwich though?
I mean, I do.
Okay.
I'd also like to make the sandwich, but
Yeah, I can't actually.
no, nothing we can do at all. I don't know, like even like maybe I like could put like one thing on my sandwich.
Why, you want to take a picture of it or some shit?
Kind of, yeah.
Is this for like some Greek life stuff or something?
No, not exactly. I'm not being hazed, if that's what you're asking. I'm not, no.
No, but I can't actually do that, sorry.
No, not at all? Okay, all right. All right, well, that's fair. Thanks for trying. All right, I guess what do I actually want today?
Did you guys have a turkey and cranberry?
Can I get your, I
We got rid of it.
think I'm gonna do
okay.
foot long. Where are your foot longs? Yikes.
Any of those are full.
Okay, cool. I'll do a foot long,
Is your corned beef pretty lean?
let's do let's do a spicy Italian.
Yeah, that's good. Let's get that Reuben.
Wow, it's been a long time since I've been here.
What?
We'll do
Rye,
Italian herbs and cheese,
I'll
please.
try rye.
you want a foot long or 6 inches?
No, 6 inches.
So I guess why do you think it is that like I don't know.
I mean,
It's not busy today, right? So it's
No.
like
right, but it's like,
Well, we have our food handlers cards.
okay.
Like,
Oh, I see.
We're certified with Subway.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, it gets to,
Okay.
you know,
What if you handed me the food, and then I put it on the sandwich? Then you've handled the food
Yeah,
technically.
we can put everything separately in a container. Yeah, it's up to you.
You actually want to do that?
It's okay. You've already made half the sandwich. It's all right. It's all right.
Do you want any cheese on this?
Yes, please. Let's do. Wow, what are my cheese options?
Cheese for you, it's
So
recommended
we
with
got
Swiss,
provolone,
any
Swiss, pepper jack.
Yeah, however, doesn't matter.
Pepper jack, please.
Did you want the sauerkraut that comes with?
A little bit.
A little bit? Is that good?
You want this?
Yes, please.
Let's go.
And then what's your soup?
We have like cheddar bar.
Let's do the lettuce, the spinach, the jalapenos, the onions, the pickles, the tomatoes, the cucumbers. I guess like pretty much everything except those bell peppers right there. Yeah. I don't like bell peppers. Everything else.
And then you said 3 chips with any Gouda. Oh, it says that they dropped it back there.
Any sauces for you?
Wow.
You like the receipt?
Yes.
Yes.
I feel like it's literally been years since I came to a Subway. Sweet onion seems like it would go well with this. I don't know. Let's do that.
Anything else?
The avocado is extra, right?
Yeah.
How much extra?
I think it's like $1.50 for the month.
I'll pass. Don't really need it.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your here to go?
To go, please.
Just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich.
$6.45.
Great.
You can just sit it right
Perfect.
there. Yeah. Is this for, would you like a receipt extra?
I'm good. Thanks.
You're all set.
Yeah. Perfect. Thanks very much. Thanks for putting up with me today.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So just got out of Subway, got my nice foot long here, which unfortunately I did not make myself. And that went more or less the way I expected it to. I asked, they actually spent more time trying to figure out if they could let me do it than I expected them to. And I kind of like jokingly kept making up possible ways to make it happen. I think like I could have asked them to put all the ingredients in containers and then made my own sandwich, but that sort of doesn't match the original request, and it's honestly kind of a pain in the ass. I didn't really feel like being an asshole today. I think making my own sandwich would have been fun. I totally would have done that, but decided that having them put everything in containers is just shitty of me. So yeah, that was a no. It wasn't that bad actually. You know, I sat there after the no. They were kind of like, "What is this? This is weird." I think they kind of like caught on that like something was up. They probably noticed the camera in my chest pocket. One of the guys even asked like if I was doing this for Greek life, because actually I'm wearing an AK side jacket, which is the only jacket I own that has this front pocket that makes it possible to record any of this. So sorry, AK Sai. But yeah, answer was no. Wasn't that bad. Kind of learned again that like people are like, especially in like service roles, kind of like willing to go out of their way to help you. I think if I had asked them to actually put everything in containers, they actually would have. I would have felt like a total dick, but they would have done it. So yeah, that's Rejection Day 8. I'll be back tomorrow for Day 9.